sing happy birthday to you.
I had this deep lilac candle for a particular birthday. It was when I was in the 6th grade.
Mm-hmm.
It was all smiley face themed.
You still have had those candles?
Mm-hmm.
Apparently.
I just have one question.
Yep.
We're not cutting that up, are we?
Yeah, this is the one
Yeah,
cake.
we've calculated.
I'll definitely come in under my goal.
Yay!
Oh,
And you're gonna get one too.
that size?
That's the serving.
That's awesome.
I mean, you can split it up if you want.
What do you think,
It's
Des?
already
Look out, Des!
right,
Woo!
calculated.
Move, Des!
And actually,
443 calories.
I think it made more. What are you doing?
What?
It's a
Happy birthday.
video.